So most of us started working from home because of the pandemic that we are in right now. But what ends up happening is this.
3 hours later.
Let me just make some coffee. Let me just pull out my phone to set a timer. Oh wait, I get distracted on YouTube. One of the worst enemies of YouTubers, procrastination. Long story short, we get very distracted all around us, especially me, very ADD. Look at me right now. And all we need is one thing, and one thing alone. Find out what that is. What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy TechTricks back with another video, and today I'm going to unbox a TikTime. So basically, TikTime is one of the new devices that you can use so that you can improve your productivity. And basically, it's a timer that replaces every timer out there. It's pretty futuristic and also pretty cheap for the average consumer. If you're working from home, you'll be able to stay focused without the distraction of the internet, of your devices, of the smartphone. The problem nowadays is we have our smartphone and we end up just, as soon as you open it, there's some notifications, and then now we get distracted, and then we lost productivity. So for you guys who are a YouTuber or working from home, this is the best device for you. It's really easy to use as well. The TikTimer has many different features. There's a lot more, but these are the key features that it has. You can adjust the volume with the arrows. You can also put it on silent mode. You could have an easy to read LED display, but for me, I think this is good enough. Some say that it's very dim, but for me, this is good enough, especially if you're looking at it on a different angle. There's also a flip and switch mode, adjustable timer, magnetic surface. You can mount this on a refrigerator or something like that. This is great as well if you're working out, if you are baking. There's many different ways for you guys to use this. You can even use this for your kids to put a timer on their timeouts if they're being a bad kid during this time of pandemic. It's very small as well on a design. It fits in your pocket. You can bring it everywhere you go. For those of you who are working out and also always on your phone and you want to do that timer, and as soon as you go to your phone you get distracted. Oh, there's a message. Oh, this is a nice song. With this timer, TikTime, you'll be able to just set the time, lay it flat on the surface, and no distractions. Now if you want to grab a TikTime, I'll link this down in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. And thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing and initial review of TikTime. I didn't really appreciate this device in the beginning, but now that I'm using it for quite some time now, I really see the difference on my productivity, and it helped me to stay focused. For me, especially me, very ADD, like you saw in the beginning there on the intro. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your stay at home, and if you guys are working at home, still working outside, stay safe out there. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.